What's up guys, Will H back with another video. So I'm gonna unbox my Google Pixel Watch 2. I've already unboxed this bad boy right here, the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and the obsidian color. Loving this device. So now we're gonna unbox this. So this was free. If you purchase this, pre-order this, then you got the Watch 2 for free. And this is the LTE model as well. I've had several of these watches and I just never seem to keep them, but at this point I do want a Google Watch to go with my Google devices, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one this time. I'm not going to get rid of it. So this is a Google Watch, Pixel Watch 2. This has a 1.2 inch display, 450 by 450 on the resolution, has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes for storage, has a 306 milliamp hour battery. It weighs 1.9 ounces, has Gorilla Glass 5, has aluminum frame. This has eSIM capability, IP68 dust and water resistant. You get 1,000 nits on the brightness. This is running Wear OS 4, and you can get this in 3 different colors. You can get it in polished silver, which is the one I have, the matte black, and the champagne gold. Now they're gonna have different watch bands, colors, when you buy them. So my band color is the porcelain, and I got the polished silver watch. So let's go ahead and get this open. There's a pull tab right here. All right, I think that's the only one, and they do make it where you can pull this out. So great job on that, Google. And let's see, Will, did you do this right or not? Because the watch is all upside down there, so oh yeah, it folds out like this, so I had it right. So in the packaging over here, you're going to get an extra watch band, and I'm definitely going to change out the watch band. So here it is. This is the, what color I said this was? This is the porcelain. I do like it though. It's a nice color, but it's going to get dirty for me. Over here, you're going to have the charging cable. Now this cable kind of changed up a little bit. You got your Type C on this end, and then they, from what I understand, they changed the little points on here on the back of it right there for your charging purposes there. So that's that. And then let's take a look at the watch. So I kind of wish they would have went bigger with the size of the watch. Ooh, this is nice, man. Very nice. I haven't had this color before, so here it is. Very beautiful looking watch. The band, so you get a large band, which I'm gonna have to use, and then you get the little smaller. So I think that's it in here. May have some documentation, paperwork or something in here as well. Yeah, down at the bottom you got your paperwork and documentation. We're gonna get this out of the way. Put this over to the side. All right, so let's get back to the watch. So here's the watch. You guys see, very beautiful watch here. This is going to be the small band. They're supposed to make some improvements on how to take these off too, but it looks the same. You still have that little button right there. You see the stainless steel there. You got your speaker right here. You got your crown. You have a selection button. I think that's what that is there. And then on the back, you got your different sensors. This band feels really soft, man. It's very nice. So I'm going to pair it up with my Google Pixel 8 Pro, and we're going to rock like that. So let's see if it has any power. Turn it on. So there it is. The G logo is up there, the Google logo. Let's get through the boot up screen, and then I'm going to get this set up, and then we'll come right back and take a look at it. All right, guys, so we're back in. It took a while to get this set up. At one point, it stopped connecting. I had to do a reboot on the watch. Just a few things that kind of didn't go right, but we finally got it. I had to update too, and here it is. So this is a watch face that I chose. You can press this side button, and you can get into your different apps that you have here. You can see all of your apps in here just like that. You got Fitbit, you got your workout stuff and all of that you can set up. Then you can just go back home by pushing the crown, swipe down from the top. This is going to be all your quick toggles right here. And swiping from the bottom, this is going to be your notifications. You swipe from this way, this is going to be your tiles. So you got your weather, different tiles here that you can set up. You know, you got your heart rate, stuff like that. And that is pretty much it on here. You can get to your Google Assistant and things like that. You can set up pay, things like that with the watch. And it's a pretty smooth experience. It works, you know, pretty fast. No stuttering or anything. If we go into the app, here's what the app look like. Let's go back. So you got your watch face there, and you can change out your watch faces. You go to watch faces, you can go to add, and there are tons of watch faces in here that you can add on your watch. And of course you can go in and download more. And then you got your notification settings here. You got your Google stuff here where you can set up wallet, assistant, and stuff like that. You got your Fitbit information there. Play Store, you can go into the Play Store and add apps. Your watch preference, such as your general, display, and gesture, security, which arm you want to wear the watch on. You got your safety and emergency. You got your system, tips and support, accessories, and privacy. So that is pretty much the app and the watch right there. Let's go ahead and try it on, see what it looks like on my wrist. It's going to be small because I have like a 7¼ inch wrist. And that's one thing I don't really like about this, but I think I have one of my cases left from a previous watch, and it'll make it look a little bigger on my watch, on my wrist. It's not too bad. I don't have a really oversized wrist, but it's not the smallest either. But I do like the way this look. The band is pretty nice too, but I do have my other bands, so I'm going to drop one of those on the watch, and we're going to keep it moving. But I'll do a follow-up on this. Battery life's supposed to be better, improve, and we're going to see. So this is the Pixel Watch 2. Just letting you guys know that I have it and the phone. So Will H, I'm out.